Hello, this is Ed Burke, PlaceForTraders.com for Thursday, July 23rd. As many of you know that follow along with my videos, virtually all my videos with the exception of a few are on the mini S&P market. I wanted to do this quick video just to point out an opportunity that I think is taking place in the coffee market. This is a daily chart of the September coffee futures contract. You can see that today, Thursday, July 23rd, the market settled at $1.25 a pound in the September futures contract. You can see that obviously in the last week we had this little breakout. The market's starting to trade higher. On Friday of last week, the market settled just under $1.19 a pound. You can see them now on Sunday evening. My business partner Matt Monteith did a video, talked about the technical and fundamental aspects, why we think this market is poised to go higher. You can see that Monday the market broke out. Tuesday we traded higher. Wednesday they shook the tree. You can see that the market sold off near $1.16, which brings up a good point. Always use proper risk management. The market ended up settling on Wednesday at around $1.20, and then you can see this big breakout. But what's interesting, this month when we traded just under $1.14, if you go back and look, the last time the coffee contract had traded under $1.14 a pound was no coincidence back here in March when the S&P bottomed out at around $6.60. Just like other physical commodities, a lot of physical commodities got hit with the stock market and then rebounded. You can see obviously we had a rebound, but what's more interesting is this big rally we had in May. Look at the market. Back in April was trading around $1.15. Starting out in May, then you could see that the market just took off, going higher all through the month of May, topping out at the beginning of June. Then you had an equally big sell-off going into July. Now what I think was happening here, we had this big rally in May. The Brazilian frost season starts in May, ends in August. You see this big run up in anticipation of possible problems with frost. Nothing materialized. You had this big sell-off. Market goes down to $1.14. But what's more interesting, I think we have some really compelling reasons why the market's going higher. Fundamentally, 2010 ending stocks are said to be, in producing countries, are said to be among the lowest in the last 30 years. We've seen a lot of strength in the soft sectors, which obviously, if you don't know, coffee is part of the soft sector. On Thursday, we've seen the highest close in 10 months in cocoa. Sugar made a new contract high, and obviously underlying it all, we're seeing a rebound in stock prices in the stock market in general. I think we could see this market be poised to go a lot higher. That's all I have. Stay tuned. At the end of this video, I'm going to post a link to Matt Monteith's website, Pricetrend.com. You can go on there and view the video that he did on Sunday. It's a great video. He compares some of the soft sectors, and he compares coffee with gold and talks about the fundamental aspects. I encourage you to go on his website, Pricetrend.com, and watch the video. Thanks a lot, and good trading.